It's a great day for couples painting with Patty and John from Patricia's Art Emporium. Hi everybody, hope you're all having a good day. Today John and I are going to work as a couple and do a funnel pour.
Show me your funnel. Oh, it's a big funnel.
And I put white on this,
so 16 by 20 canvas,
16
right?
by 18.
20?
16 by 20. It's just the second one that I've ever done. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hold this, and then John's going to fill up the funnel. First, he's putting in white.
Then I'm putting in some color shift, blue, violet, flash. Then I'm putting in a little more white. Then I'm putting in some, what is this? Apple
Barrel Tangelo.
Tangelo, a beautiful color.
Remember, it takes over a lot, so.
Takes over. Okay, so put that over there.
A little more white.
And a little more white. We do have a little bit of silicone, right? What is it? Hairspray or hair?
No, the treadmill.
Treadmill. This is a green flash. Color shift, green flash. And now we're going to put a little more white. And next we're going with a color shift, red flash. It's already starting to
Sell up. Cool.
Okay, a little more white. Next, we're going to use some Deco Art Gold. This is gold paint mixed with what?
The micro powder.
Micro dust.
Gold micro powder, white.
And a little more white. Keep on top of me there. You know, I'll mess up, you know. We're going to use some Folk Art Color Shift Aqua Flash.
That's a pretty color.
And a little more white. And next we're using we're using Purple Flash Color Shift. And a little more white. Next we're using Folk Art Ice Blue Metallic. Ice Blue. And a little more white. I got ice blue on my finger. And a couple more to go. We got some dioxazine. Man, that's a tough word to say. Dioxazine purple.
White ball.
Oh, that's nice. That'll make some nice, pretty colors there. And a little more white. Now the hard part's going to come when you have to.
Don't tell me.
You have to take your finger off of the bottom. And final, Deco Art Copper. Copper's pretty. The copper and the gold make a real nice color. Ooh. And the last,
Is there going to be enough in there?
Oh, I sure hope so. Want to add something extra just in case? We're going to add a little more of this.
No. The green.
Green. Anything else?
Maybe some more. Nah, I don't know. You want to add something?
Go.
Okay.
I think I think we might be good enough.
Okay.
See if there's any left here of this white.
You can always just pour it from the bottle.
Yes, I can. Sounds familiar. Let me get the paint off my fingers. Okay, so now you're going to try to get that down on the canvas in the middle, correct? Is that right?
Yep.
Let me see how we're looking here. Yeah, okay.
Am I in the middle?
Yeah, you want me to hold it straight? Yeah, just go down, go down.
Wait, I got to get my finger on
Yeah,
it.
you're going to stick your finger out, we're going to go straight down.
Ready?
Yep, 1, 2, 3. There you go.
Hold on.
You're setting up already.
Okay. You want to do it?
You want me to do it or you want to do it?
You can do it.
Oh.
You can do it.
I'm trying to get it off the canvas, so.
Yeah, I know, but it's all.
It's okay. Just bring it over the top of that and throw it over there. Oh, yeah. Wow. Amazing. Well, looking nice.
Of course, I don't have any gloves. Do you have any gloves?
Oh, I don't have any gloves.
Should I pour some white so we make sure that it spreads all over?
I don't know. You got white around the edges. I don't know.
Oops.
You could here with some white.
Well, we'll wait. See if
Sure.
we need it. Yeah, we'll wait.
You want to pour white between these two colors so when they come through there'll be a white layer? And in between this here too?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, want me to do it? You want to do it?
Yeah, you can do it. That way, if it doesn't come out right, I can blame you. Yeah.
Boy, that was hard to believe. That was a full jar the other day. Okay.
Okay.
You wanna hit it with a torch first to burst some of those bubbles? Burst my bubble?
Very lightly. Wow, there's a lot of cells there. Okay.
Okay.
Which way should we go first?
Um,
Should we go that way since it's closest? Or do we want to go?
No, I wouldn't think you want to go
This way?
I don't know. You go a little bit one way, a little bit the other way, maybe, huh?
Okay. This sideways, you mean?
Yeah, sure.
All right.
Corner ways towards the corners, because the corners are where you got the most area to cover. You know what I'm saying?
So go over to that corner,
Sure,
maybe?
good. A lot of bubbles to bust, that's for sure.
Are there?
Using this torch to bust these bubbles. Oh yeah, quite a few bubbles. The purple and white is pretty. Pretty, a lot of pretty colors in here, you know?
Yeah, but what's interesting is that when we first poured it in there, it had so many cells.
Yeah.
It doesn't have any cells now. It is interesting colors though.
So,
Different.
look, see? It's starting to pop up.
Yeah? Good. It should end up looking pretty good because we did a lot of the flashes and a couple of metallics. So it should end up drying pretty shiny, right? Hopefully. Be careful, you're gonna hit the thing again. And what are you gonna do with that? Just leave it like that?
No, I'm going to finish it up.
With this?
No,
You need this?
with this.
Oh.
I started going this way.
Careful, you're gonna get down to it.
I hear you. Get down. The gold is nice because
You need to know when to stop.
we never know when to stop.
Huh?
Never know when
I
to
know
stop.
when to stop. I always probably stop too early, but.
It's interesting.
Yeah, something different, right?
Something different. That's for sure. Okay, folks.
All right,
Call
well,
it
you
up.
got to do it again because I think I see some bubbles.
Okay, I'll take care of that. I'll take care of that while you tell everybody what this is all
Well,
about.
no, because then I gotta yell because you put that on.
Look how nice it is over here.
Doesn't listen anyway, guys. I know, that's what I like. I like
Who doesn't listen?
you.
Didn't you just tell me to do this?
I said don't turn it on while I'm speaking.
Oh, I was
because
gonna
then
do this.
yell. But that's okay, you got it quiet enough.
I'm quiet. Quiet as a church mouse there.
Okay, guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. This is something that we didn't expect to do like this, but hopefully it'll come out looking good. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and bang the bell to get notified of new videos. Share with all your friends, family, neighbors, and co-workers. Check out our paintings on eBay under Patricia's Art Emporium. This is Patty and John doing couples painting at Patricia's Art Emporium saying, thanks again for watching. Please be kind to one another and enjoy each moment of every day. Peace.
Bye-bye.